I think people think about Purdue as an engineering school, and the uniqueness, and I think it's our secret weapon, is having that connectivity with the business school, and the engineering school is unbelievably valuable and unbelievably important, and the name Purdue behind those engineering and technical skills is, I don't think anybody other business school can really compete with that, so I think it's fantastic. We're in the paper and packaging world, and innovation was a key element of our label business, which we grew into be one of the largest linerless label businesses in the world. And our entire platform is based upon creating solutions that solve a problem for a customer. So innovation starts with, what problem am I solving? So A, we have to have a good market understanding of what could be and why that would matter to our customers. So it kind of starts with some market intelligence. Then for us, it's the types of innovation that we're doing, it's science, so it's material science. So clearly we have to have a good understanding of that. And then there's experts in that, and then how we tie that science into manufacturing process. For me as a CEO to know exactly all the technologies between cybersecurity and what our IT group's doing in that, and our business systems and processes and our ERP systems and our planning software. So it's hard for me to know the technical specs, but it's very important for me to understand what functions are available and what things can get done, and to be able to tie those technologies back to our strategy. So having a very good understanding of a leader of what capabilities are out there, and then making decisions on how you integrate those things together is extremely important for leaders in today's business world. It's not all that helpful to have a business school graduate come that has a great understanding of accounting or finance or doing analytic work without understanding what we actually do. And so having the ability to understand how systems work within a manufacturing system, how the ERP system works, how the warehouse and distribution software works, how machines work. So understanding how all those things work, how we make the products, how we get the products out the door. If you don't have a basic understanding of the technology of all that, it's very hard to be a good analyst or a good business leader or a strategy. I mean, you have to have a fundamental basis of that. You can learn it on the job, I suppose, but coming out of school with that basic understanding of technology on top of the business degree is a very valuable thing to have.